What's up, everybody? I am here unboxing my brand new Apple Airpods for all of you. Let's tear into this right now. I got these at Best Buy. They were a little tough to get. I was at the Apple stores in New York City and nobody had any of them. So for some reason I couldn't get them. Here's the box. It's pretty nice. Pretty sleek. This is my first ever unboxing video. My buddy told me I should unbox these because I just got them. Said it'd be kind of cool, so trying it out. Getting this off. Let's tear into that. You got all your paperwork. Always got some paperwork with an Apple product. Where are the stickers though? Any stickers? Alright. Put that to the side over here. There you go. That's the product right there. Let's get this out of here. It's pretty much, that's it. Is that the whole thing? It's the whole shebang? Oh, it comes with a lightning cable. Like that. I always love Apple's. Their little sleeve, their little plastic sleeves and stuff. Here's the little egg. Sorry, my hands are a little dirty. I just got off work. Pretty nice. These are the Generation 2. That's the AirPod. Pretty cool. Definitely give these a listen real soon. You know, I gotta try them out. But yeah, that's my unboxing of the Apple Airpods, the Generation 2. Thanks for watching.
I found out that my girlfriend was a lesbian. What's happened to her?